Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are here with Miss Karen. We just came from a hike, so we are pretty hungry now, especially since I didn't eat any breakfast and Karen only had a little bit of a rice.
Still hungry.
Yes, still hungry. So today I want to take her to one of my favorite burrito places, and it's not authentic Mexican food. It's more like a Mexican-American type of food, but their burritos are amazing. They're known for their burritos. I do want Karen to try it out, and if she does order the burrito, I think I'm gonna order something else on the menu just to have a bit of variety. And I haven't really tried anything else on their menu, so I think this would be a good opportunity to test something out and see if their other items are good or not. But their burritos are amazing. I usually order the Burrito Express, which is what the burrito is called. I order with everything in it. My choice of meat is chicken. So yeah, let's get going. Look at that turkey across the road. Okay guys, so we are finally here and it's just right over there. Alright, so we got extremely lucky because there's only one table to eat outside, and we can only eat outside because of this COVID thing. I feel like it was meant to be to come here today. Because I was kind of worried. I knew there was only one table here and I was like, usually it's taken, but today it wasn't taken. So I decided to try a torta this time with chicken and everything on it. Never tried it before, so I'm hoping it'll be delicious. And Karen ordered the express burrito with beef in it, and I don't think I've ever tried it with beef. I've always had it with chicken, so it will be a new experience for me too. So here's the size of the burrito. It is freaking huge. I can never finish it. I would just eat half and then save the other half for later. And here is the torta. It smells so good. Can't wait to dig in. And the really cool thing is that you do get free chips, and these chips are so good. You don't even need any dip. You can just munch on it. It's really good. And then the pita de gallo. Alright, the burrito reveal. Okay, what do you think, Karen?
It's good.
Yeah, very good?
I like it. Yeah, it's good.
From your burrito experience, how would you rate this?
I will go for like 8.5.
That's a pretty good score.
Mm-hmm.
Bad lighting. I'm so sorry. I'm not good at foodie videos, but I try my best. I'm gonna try the fries first. Check out the fries, you guys. Good sized fries. Okay, better lighting. The fries, it's alright. Fries is fries. Okay, the one thing I noticed about the torta already is that the bread is kind of soggy. This part is so soggy. Hopefully the taste is good, because I'm not a fan of soggy bread, to be honest. But there is chicken, avocado, cheese, tomato, and some cabbage. Okay. The taste is really good. A little bit messy. That's fine. Not bad. Really good. Want to try it? The other half is yours. You don't want to try it?
No, I'm good. I can have your fries.
This is like a good chicken sub sandwich.
Uh-huh.
It's like, it has so much juice in it too. That's why the bottom is soggy. But the flavors tie in together so well. Wow, this is so good, guys. I don't even mind the soggy bread. But the bread could be toasted a little bit more though. What I really like about this sandwich is that it's not heavy. It feels almost like all the flavors is really light. It melts into one another. Very fresh. But still the chicken flavor, you can taste it. I do wish there was a little bit more chicken though. Now that I think about it. Wow, I must be so hungry. I almost finished half of the sandwich in like 3 minutes. Would I buy this over the burrito? The burrito is number one.
All your meat is on the other side.
Is it?
I can tell. There's no
So
meat.
that's where my chicken went. You sure you don't want to try it?
No, I'm good. I don't know what I had that before.
You're not a fan? Not a fan?
Torta.
It does taste like a Subway sandwich.
Uh-huh.
Like not from Subway, like a Subway, you know, the bread.
The Subway.
The Subway bread. Not the Subway restaurant.
Yeah. I like what I ordered.
Karen is pleased with what she ordered. I told you the burrito's great. So this isn't as pretty as I was hoping to show you guys. But this is the express burrito with beef in it. Without beans, right, Karen? Did you
Without
take beans?
beans.
Okay, without beans. I usually get it with beans, but Karen doesn't like beans. Anyways, so this is what the burrito looks like. A lot of sour cream and a lot of cheese in it, which is what I love in a burrito. So. Wow, the beef is really good. I do still like the chicken more, but the beef is good. I like it with the cheese. Are you full? Just filling?
I'm full. I had my
Chips is good, huh?
Yeah, I'm
Good
not
chips.
starving. Because I had like a full meal this morning.
Alright guys, so we are done and I got my regular burrito to go because, yeah.
Turn left on Arizona Avenue.
That's it.
Then turn right onto
So yeah, so that is the, oh, turn off the music so I don't get copyright.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Turn right.
Anyways, what was I saying? Oh yeah, so that is Burrito Express. The owner is super nice. He's friendly, he's easy to talk to, he jokes with you, he always has a smile, even though you can't see it anymore because of the mask, but you can tell from the eyes. Yeah, this is one of my favorite places to get a burrito. I've been here so many times for so many years. And yeah, I do highly recommend it. It is called Burrito Express here in Milpitas, California. I'll leave, okay, then make a U-turn. GPS. I'll leave the link of,
Continue for 1.5 miles.
okay, I will leave the link, what was I about to say? Oh yeah, I'll leave, no, not the link. I'll leave the address of this place in the description below, just in case if you're ever in the area. Please give this man your business and try out his food. He's a small business owner. He only has this one restaurant and he's been, oops, okay, you can't see me anymore. And he's been serving this community for so many years. So yeah, we always want to support the tiny businesses. So please come here and show your support. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed today's meal. It was really filling for me. I only ate half a sandwich, but I'll definitely go home and eat the rest of it because everything is really good. And I think if I leave that sandwich sitting there any longer, the entire bottom is just gonna be soggy. So I did wish that it wasn't as soggy as it was. But thank you guys so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments, don't hesitate to leave in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe so you can see future Please subscribe so you can see future videos of mine. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, happy wandering.